Okay, guys, we are back in the tail layer. Putting up some more stuff, so excuse all that. All right, so now we gotta get this thing out. So you customize it, yeah, without destroying any of the turtles. Okay, so we're gonna pull this thing out, modify this thing to go along with the controller. All right, so yeah, obviously I gotta use two hands for this because I do not want to damage any of this stuff. Didn't notice it, I got it out. This is a PlayStation 5 with blue shells. There you go. So those of you guys that want to see what one looks like with blue casing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these shells off so we can go ahead and modify. I know the drill from when we did mine. Same process. Just gonna go ahead and knock this out. That way the LEDs are done. Then we'll work on the custom faceplates for this one. All right, LEDs are done in the console. Now I'm just gonna start working on these out the way. I got testing in a second. Working on the plates for that. So we'll do the easy side first. Make sure we got the proper way, and then we'll do the hard side. Pretty much self-explanatory. We're gonna take that, we're gonna apply it to these custom shells. Pretty basic, but we'll get it done. We got the finished product. Again, it's not 100% perfect, but it's close enough. And this is why, awesome. And this is why you don't use a white shell. And there's the disk drive for you guys that want to see this drive right there. Opening is still there. Obviously, you know, had to cut so you can get the disc in there. And again, this stuff right here is at the bottom. But there you go. So now let's put this on that, and we'll have our custom system put together. Nice. There we have it. Our custom, one of a kind, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles PlayStation 5. And this is why you don't use the white shell, obviously. That looks awesome. It's gonna look great in the tunnel layer. Now it bonds in. I gotta test to make sure the LEDs work. Oh yeah, we can't forget the control that goes with it. So I set that up like that. As you can see, the graphic carries over to here. We have a one-of-a-kind custom Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles PlayStation 5. This is killer. All right, let's go set it up so we can make sure that the LEDs work and then sync the controller to the console. Just for dramatic effect, and here we go, guys. All set back in place. Our custom Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles PlayStation 5 with the extra controller. I'm so happy, guys. Now it finally matches the tail layer. Before it was out of place. I mean, it's called what it is. Yes, that's the arcade machine right there. It was out of place. But now, that's right, Turtles. My boy Raph, yeah, life size. Look how big this guy is compared to me. Now it's home. It's finally home. So now we're gonna test everything out. I'm gonna test the LEDs. Let me get the TV turned on. Get the lights out cut on. Now, again, I will give you guys one more effect. There's a reason why we did LEDs in this custom unit. You'll see once my boy gets home, I'll fully turn on the tail layer, and then everything will make sense. But anyways, let's test this out. Alright, yeah, custom tail carpet. So you can see, you can kind of hear it. Well, hold on, let me press X to manage. Hold on. Not signed in. Sign in right quick. Hold on. I'm signing in right quick. Man, this thing hasn't been telling forever. Needs to be updated. But you can hear it. The controller is working just fine. Asking me to sign in. Can we sign in right quick, please? And there we go. The lights are working. Continue. Okay, I'm not reading the screen, that's why. But you see the lights are working just fine. You can hear the controller. The controller's working. And as it should. Again, I don't want to get my brother's info out there. Okay, so it's doing an update right now. It's going to update the console so we can test the game. So I'm going to fast forward through this, but the controller is working just fine. The LEDs are working just fine right now on rainbow colored. But for him, obviously, before he comes back to the house. We're going to actually turn it to green. There we go. Do I want to do building, or do I want to do it all green like that? I like the building because the building's pretty cool. It's unique. It's different. Yeah, I would do that. I would do the building. And the cool thing about these, like I said, I could turn them on and off. We're going to leave them on so when the system cuts on, actually we're going to leave them off. So when the system cuts on, it just looks regular. Then we'll turn them on and we can leave them on with the system, whatever. All right, so it's updating right now. We'll allow this to update. Get to the update. I'll be back with you guys. So we get the green going when I show it to him. Then the green on the controller, see? And then we'll hit him with the, it changes colors. As you saw, everything changes colors. Yeah. So my brother saw the system. He said it was freaking awesome, the 101. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys a scene of everything at nighttime. See, everything is going, the rainbow. We're gonna have everything going at nighttime with all the LEDs on, with the tail layer in its full effect. Yes, those are actual tail heads as well, by the way. And show you guys how everything looks now that the custom PS5 is among it now. Love this Technodrome scene, man. A lot of stuff going on. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, like I said, here's the final product with the tail layer, all the lights turned on, everything going with all the ambiance and stuff. The whole tail side. 16 for you guys. The room is not complete yet. But again, like I said, the reason why we built the console the way I built it for my brother is because of this right here. So when everything is turned on, whenever he's doing his meetings and the room is just on display, it fits right in. There's the console. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's got the starlight stars. And now the console's right at home. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude this, building a custom Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles PS5. And so, again, like I said, it did take a while to get the parts, but we got it all together. It came out great. My brother loves it, which is the biggest thing. So he loves it. Now he'll actually get on PS5 and play. So if you guys have any questions on how anything is done, or questions about anything, or if you see something awesome like in the room and you have questions about it, or where something was purchased from, anything, just shoot a comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video. Peace.